Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jeremiah Mason, and I'm the Chief Product Officer here at Anonybit.
And I'm Jessica Vinitsky, Director of Business Development, but right now, that doesn't really matter. Because in this moment, I can pretend to be any one of your customers. And here, standing next to me, is Jeremiah, one of your valued customers. And with just a few clicks, I can wire money from his bank account. It's super easy. Watch. Here's his banking platform, and all I need is his username and password. Maybe I phished it, maybe I bought it off the dark web. Either way, I'm in. And I'm going to transfer myself $5,000. And just like that, wire transfer successful. Scary, right? And the worst part? Even if I get caught, it doesn't even matter, because I can just come back tomorrow using a different name and do it all over again. Same scam, different day. This happens because despite best efforts, many financial institutions still rely on weak authenticators, like passwords, SMS codes, or security questions somewhere in the user journey. However, the bottom line is, those keep the doors wide open to attackers like me.
Last year, financial institutions lost $12.5 billion in fraud. Traditional MFA methods focus on what your customer has: email, SMS, OTP. We've seen time and time again that these methods are ineffective in protecting your valued customers from attackers like Jessica. Anonybit changes the status quo by focusing on who your customer is, not what they have and not what they know, all while preserving their privacy. Enrollment in Anonybit is quick and simple. Today, I'm going to enroll while I log into my account, but Anonybit supports ingesting of the user's selfie from any onboarding process, such as document verification. Here, I'm going to click Continue, grant camera access, and take a selfie. And then boom, my biometric has been broken into multiple pieces, encrypted, and distributed across multiple cloud environments. Now, now it's been distributed across multiple cloud environments. Now, me as a user, my account is perfectly safe, and I can ensure that attackers like Jessica can no longer get in.
OK, let's see what happens. I'm going to try to take over Jeremiah's account again.
As you can see, Jessica was denied access to my account. Even with my selfie, AI, and the latest deepfake technology, she would not be able to get in. Now, as your valued customer, I know that my money is safe and that attackers can no longer get into my account.
Anonybit provides strong authentication to prevent account takeovers by attackers like me. With this in place, I can no longer leverage my attacker toolkit and now need to spend time finding other accounts that are easier to compromise. All right, let's switch roles. This time, Jeremiah is going to be the fraudster who previously defrauded the institution. And he's going to try to create another account using a different identity. What do you think is going to happen?
And I'm going to log in as a different user now. So now, my name is Jay Wilson. Here we go.
Perfect. After Jeremiah takes his selfie, in the back end, Anonybit's going to break apart his biometric and perform a one-to-many search against the existing user base. In this case, his biometric was already on a block list due to his previous fraudulent activity.
The way that finance institutions are protecting their customers today just isn't working. We have seen time and time again that traditional MFA methods are ineffective. However, we know that institutions like yourself already have what it takes to protect your customers from these type of attacks, the user's biometric. However, I bet that you're not using biometrics today because of privacy concerns. Anonybit addresses these privacy concerns so that your customers are ensured that their biometric data is protected and that their account is safe from fraudsters.
But it's a lot more than that. With Anonybit's decentralized architecture, users can authenticate from any device and across any banking channel, whether it's the call center, in branch with a teller, or via any digital banking platform, closing the gaps that attackers rely on. It's a seamless user experience for your customers, creating innovative journeys that ensure access, trust, and security across every touch point. Now, while our example today was focused on banks, we can support and serve any financial institution, fintech, and power agentic AI. For more information, please come visit us at our booth. Thank you.